Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. And where do we start? Where do we proceed? The week is about to end. It's Sunday and this is the last day of the week, and it's quite an important day. Today is really important day. And yesterday I made a video talking about the mystery, and if that mystery is something that I was going to reveal, and I think I'm going to reveal the mystery today. And I said that I want to see Bitcoin to close near $28,000. I said this even in my private channel, that it's quite big because whatever is happening with the charts, there's an answer to that one. There's a reason why all those movement have been happening for quite a while now. So on the daily time frame, I don't know how many candles are these, but these are so many candles. Okay, these are like probably 3 weeks combined in here for these candles. But these 3 weeks, right, those 3 weeks had an answer, and that is on the weekly time frame. Now let's do shift on the weekly time frame, but on a different Bitcoin exchange. So that's gonna be Bitcoin to USDT, and I'm gonna choose KuCoin so that we can draw something new. And there we go. Okay, so previously we had a sideways market. I'm just going to remove this one, and what I want to do is go back into the weekly time frame, and oh la la, there goes the weekly. What do you see on the weekly? Because the weekly time frame is about to close in the next 1 day 1 hour, and I want it to exactly close near 28,000. It's important, because when it closes at $28,000, that's when we flash down maybe next week. And the reason is, no one talks about candlesticks, and I like candlesticks because they're so powerful yet so simple to see, but really effective. One candlestick saves your whole damn life. One candlestick. If you read the candlestick properly, it can save your life. Unless it's not invalidated, that's a different story. Of course, that's where the stop loss is going to save your life. These 3 candles, candle number 1, the candle number 2 in the middle, and the candle number 3, when you combine the 3 candles back to back, they form a candlestick known as a tri-star. Here we go. Okay, this is known as tri-star, and I've talked about this in a long time ago. I've been making these updates every single day. And even last year as well, we had TriStar, and we've seen Bitcoin going down because of a TriStar. So I'm going to show you on Google how TriStar really works. And this is what I believe Bitcoin might be looking forward to, okay? An uptrend like this, 3 pluses in the middle, a downtrend. This is my expectation because that's what I'm looking for across the board, okay? Picture perfect TriStar. 3 dojis, and that's why I do need Bitcoin to close near $28,000. And yes, we're gonna get the answer very soon. TriStar, so many examples. Okay, if you keep scrolling down about the TriStar, you got another example right over there, and this is the bullish version if you make it in a downtrend. And countless example, guys. So many examples. Okay, so many examples. I do wish there was a clear one where we could see a real life example. Now this is what makes sense. This is probably the main thing that really makes sense to me. So overall, I'm not going to touch anything that is related to Bitcoin, for example Solana and stuff like that. And by the way, I do have the whole course where I'm teaching you like 50 plus different candlestick, which are really even advanced out there, that is going to really make you or help you become a better trader and step up your game as well. And this is the whole course, right? The Pirate Trader. And if you scroll down, you can read the whole details from case studies that we have, the market psychology that I'm teaching as well. And then you do have trading in the chart, you're setting your fibs top to bottom, right? I mean, so much put in for the past 6 years of experience in this one course, only for you, right? Only for you to understand. And this is where you do even have the money management that I'm teaching. And where do we have the candlesticks, man? You can read everything about it. So we do have this candlestick section, okay? Candlesticks, supply and demand, time frame, reading how to read your time frames. And this is where I'm actually reading time frames. Notice how I switched on the weekly, because I go to the daily time frame, I go to the weekly, and you make conclusions, and this is the conclusion coming from the weekly. So it took 21 days to actually make these 3 candles, and you might have thought that that sideways movement was nothing after all, but it was for something. That's the logic why the market was boring for so many days. It's because it was printing in something right over here, and it's about to end by 1 day, 1 hour. Message me on Twitter, AdamCoins_, and get a discount to buy it. And that's it. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.